So how does observability fit into the broader strategy of Radiant Logic?
So the way that I think about identity and how to approach it, I think about it in three different layers. One is to unify all the identities into a unified, coherent identity fabric, if you will. The second part is natural. You add that observability layer where you have that real-time insight into what's going on, what are the anomalies that are happening. And obviously if you detect something, you need to be able to act on it. So those three different verbs is what I view as critical when it comes to implementing a modern stack. And that's an architecture that has been validated by third parties. Gartner released a paper on this very same matter. So unify, observe, and act on the observations. That is the key to a modern day zero trust architecture, and that's where we play.